Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chris. I'm here again with the fam, dog. Yo, we're going to go hiking on the mountain stills. Do you know how long is to the top?
No, I have no idea.
What?
Well, like the total hiking, I heard Louis said it like 4 hours.
Back and forth? You mean that's 2 hours climbing up? Yo, you guys are crazy. Holy shit.
I'll be that Asian motherfucker. Mocho's what I'm repping.
Let's see who's gonna die first.
Mango.
Huh?
Mango.
Yeah, mango.
Okay guys, let's take a smoke. We'll just take a break.
Quoi?
C'est quoi ce bad hair?
Yo, G, yo, pourquoi t'es nul, G? Qu'est-ce que t'as fait? T'as fourré ma toilette?
Ain't big enough.
Fucking négro, fini, G, let's go!
What do you want? J'ai fini.
Don't mind, don't let me
For sure. Fuck, I should have brought a towel, man. A towel? Yeah. Or like a small like.
Really good, bro. This guy's ready.
Last week it was sweating, right? That's why I was
Yo,
wearing
guys,
this.
hiking starter pack, rebellion shirt. What are those socks? No socks.
Psych! I swear to God, by the time he's gonna go down, I'm gonna be dark as hell.
Who is already coming down?
We're gonna end up looking like Christian at the end of the day.
Asshole.
You got lighter though.
Huh?
You got lighter.
I got lighter?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so, t-shirt.
No, it's the new soap.
It's the new
Soap.
soap.
It's called the Dove with Clorox.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Used to be darker.
You're serious about that?
This fucking.
I was like, what?
This guy hasn't can't believe me, bro.
No, I did not. I was like, what?
I don't know. I think you got.
Pull out
I think you got lighter though.
I got lighter? I don't think so.
Yeah.
It's coming.
We called him. And then he was naked in the bathroom. Look at her face.
Yeah, it's so fucking weird.
Doma!
Doma!
I have to call him.
Louis, go butter him in the washroom, man.
Yeah, tell him. You have 2 seconds. 1.1. Tabarnak.
Tabarnak.
Is that your joggers?
No. That's fine?
Shit for 2 days, bro.
Yo, mango, t'es milieu, G.
I'm in the other side.
Quel trou de cul! Va au milieu, G, on est 2 gros nets, G! Yo, j'ai pas fini de perdre du poids, lui non plus, G!
C'est quoi la différence? Moi, je suis au milieu. We're all the same weight.
Ah, G! Yo!
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Well, the window doesn't work here, Don.
Oh mon dieu, t'es pas sérieux?
Yeah, it's only the.
Hey, at least the AC works now.
Ah, bless.
Yo,
Yo! Oh! The thing goes. Boom! Boom! That's so hot.
Man can never be hot, never hot. Perspiration ting, spring. Links effects, come on. You didn't hear me, did you?
People are gonna start rolling in their whips with this song, bro. I'm telling you.
But either way, A, B, C, alphabet. The ting goes.
Stacking my bands all the way to the top, all the way to my back falling, no. you leave your spot. Your girlfriend call me like, come on over. I like the way you won't leave
Fell in love with a nice day. Rapper.
Give me a run for my money. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with.
So we made it. Now we're gonna start the hike. So apparently this shit is like leveled, man. Like there's levels to this shit. We get to pick where we want to go.
Look, chute or cascade. We have one at the end of the red one in the middle of the pink, blue, and yellow. We'll go red.
I think we should go here. Fuck
Yeah,
it. Yeah.
That's the thing.
Fuck it. Let's go. We hit in blue. Where are we going? Lac Remy Martin. Let's go. 17:30. Hey. Oh, I fucking ate a ball. The sir was sweating. Yo, he was dying. Yo, we're so done. We're done. Yo, we're done. I'm gonna have to put this on my head. I'm having a hard time focusing and GoProing. Pictures. Oh shit. Yo, vas-y, pose, G, gang, G. Gang. Oh shit, who fell? Oh fuck, I thought you fell, bro. That's bad. What? Yo, leave a bust of face, G. Fucking hell. Whoa. Yo, who needs AC, bro? I'll just buy rocks. Bro. Hold on, you guys should stay there. I'm gonna go on the bridge, take a picture. That's good. Alright. That's pretty dry. Should be fine. Squad! Getting wet! Oh, damn! Damn! Le boy, il a fait ça! Yeah! Yo, who brought Maybelline? Hey, Pantene! You have tissue bag? Fuck. Blow my nose. That's how I'm gonna blow my nose. Can't breathe, bro. Right. There's a timer, right?
Yeah.
It's on. Let's go. Boy Louis, huh? Oh. Oh, your map. I need that.
Moi, c'est mon tabarnak!
Box scratcher!
Box scratcher!
Back stretcher!
Hooray!
How did they get up there?
Hello!
Comment vas-tu?
Hey! Hey! Oh, he's old. He's old. Should you have went to pink? That's pink.
The mountain.
That's pink, huh?
I'm gonna check.
Yeah, that's pink, man. It makes sense.
No, because there's two a mountain. There's Mont Barrière.
Yeah, there's two mountains.
Brassard.
Oh, here, where?
Barrière is red. The Mont Brassard is the pink one.
Here, and we're saying hi to the guys here. Right there.
Go to the thing, too.
Yeah.
We're not going to another side of the lake. Like, who gives a fuck? I want to go up to the mountain.
So let's go back. I felt like a ninja. A fat ass ninja. I made it! I made it! Oh, I deserve a banh mi. Let's go, man.
Over right there.
Yeah. To the top. Now we have a well-deserved sandwich. Hey, buddy. Want fruitsies?
Going up this hot. You went through the fucking forest, bro. Fucking branches everywhere, man.
You guys didn't fucking realize?
No, at first he's like, okay, yo, he went here, he went here, he went. Oh fuck, where did he go now? I'm like, I'm following the thing. At some point I went to the trash, and I tell him, I go, yo, I don't see the path anymore, bro.
So I have my initials on this fucking balcony of north. Reverse it, the north balcony. Right? So if I get famous, my initials are right here. GoPro's dead. So it's gonna be a shittier quality on the camera. But we made it.
Hey, yo, what's up, man? This is the ice bucket challenge, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, like this. Ice bucket. Woo!
I be that Asian motherfucker, muchos what I'm repping. Though I'm not the killer, but this beats that I be killing. The flow that I be spitting. Mellow voice when I'm sweet talking to your bitch. Smoking, drinking with the homeboys in this bitch. Spark up, get